Nini Sinsinage, Jajamanzo Yongla, number to Sanel Pape, to some delek Shui, Tiring Shogen Nato, Ani Arisinzinki, Zingyong, Tache, Arisinzinki, Wanja Puju Churches, Wanja Puju, Tacho Galhas, Chebenagone, and Tacho Chick, and as a Pebe capture Shungi, and so the Toy of a Toddy, Ani Ari Nanglo gave a Pudi. And the Rangshingi Ari Missy Chadi and Donald Trump ki Sinzi Chawacha di Mewa Survey Nizu Ching Shogera numbers of Chevachi. Kandara Nizu Chawuchi Kares Labina Ani Washington la Attorney General Washington ki Ani Ngade Ranki Ani Timzuba Shungi Timzuba ki Di Tola Ani Donald Trump ki Zingyong ki Tajo Chiku Dikora Timga la Kechi and Timbungi and Nekab Tandeki and Donald Trump get Tajo Dilla and Kartum Chebi Nizuchi Shipta and number two Damdela Nichitungi, Dobanashingi D and Tambo on the Tim Kasa, Timzoba Rangi, Sargon Hanzola, Tesha Kandikari Guy meeting a big sum to and Dinalo Nangtu, Karakari made number sola, Jibishu Church Hishway.
Came to the courthouse today to defend the United States Constitution, to defend democracy in America, and to defend what it means to be an American citizen. We are thrilled that the court saw the seriousness and the urgency of the complaints and requests for a temporary restraining order brought by the state of Washington, Oregon, Arizona, and Illinois, and are thrilled that the judge issued a temporary restraining order directing the United States government to take no further action in enforcing and implementing the unconstitutional and un-American executive order attempting to eliminate birthright citizenship in America. This is step one, but to hear the judge from the bench say that in his 40 years as a judge, he has never seen something so blatantly unconstitutional sets the tone for the seriousness of this effort. I want to thank all of the men and women who put in hard work over the past year to prepare for something like this and who successfully argued the case today. We have an incredible team of men and women in the Attorney General's office in the state of Washington and working collaboratively with our colleagues across the country. We'll take your questions.
Nick, you heard the argument that you didn't need to do this right now, that this wasn't even going to go into effect until next month. Why did you need the TRO today before the order actually went into effect?
Well, first and foremost, the judge obviously disagreed with that argument, setting the tone for the urgency. And as our team laid out in court, this order effectively forces states to prepare for the effective date of that order, has an impact now, and more importantly, created a cloud of uncertainty for children being born here and in Seattle, all across Washington, and all across the country. And so the urgency by which we moved was effective and appropriate and supported by the court.
There is also Tanta number of Nidung city with the Zabe Kamagul Hajurania, Nindung ki Kamani Nangola, Ani Tandeki, Shading Kuzabdi, Ani Washington. Seattle, Washington, Washington DC mewache Washington Madeki Attorney General Chagiyori ani Koran ta ani Koran ki ani lero manguchi che ani Koran kangzone ani ngadi shiki kuzab che nyamru ki thon lega che ani Donald Trump ki Zingyong ki executive order Zingyong ki thakcho da Zingyong ki wangja phujo che di ani ari ki chadim nalo ye che Ari Numbal Sukevina, the Rangshingi Gamis, Ari Message Hadi, Nega Donald Trump Mel Sugi La Dilla, and Timgana Gages, and Timbergi, any low ship Junior Benyamu, Timbergi, and the Gachamu Shush Tonche, and the Nega Bringla, Nega temporary restraining order table, yes, like the Nesuchik Korangi Shagi, and Tana Shinki, the any young boy Gavigum the and 7 months Hameki. Korangi Timzaba Lerota, the Sangme Kale Capture Nizu Chungsha Race like Chiche. The name and Sergo Bachik Tivaji Karikudes Lavena, Ani Tanda Donald Trump for executive order, birth citizenship right the Ani the Laglin Tare the Dawachik Jel Laglin Targo Yore, Laglin Cortario Mare, Laglin Matar Nielan, Tingal, Togo, Kinze had race Lave Kabla, and DB Nezu Tarana and Timbula the Timber Zala Yashudu Chebekala, Timber ki the Gachabu Ton Cheje, any Save the Lata Che, the Dawachiki Jella Lata Chiki Yobe Inia di Made Mango Chiki Nalola, Ani, Zingongi Lega Chingy Dunzo Nalola, Ani, Chik Tadi Chia, Chignezu Turup Chia, Dendreki Lega Mango Shuchi Yodi, Dinzo Nizo Gogo Machevena, and the Made Mango Shinala, Sangasing Mango Chasa Race, temporary restraining order, Chekyo Chik Race, and Korata, Lender Gashago Chik did it. That Dinalone. Tanda nezu di ngetongi meya ko nezu gurung buchagwa ina dinalo la chi khares layer lana temporary restraining order la di ani it's a federal judge Washington ki ani Washington ngade rang ki ani khalor shung ki an thingang ne ani di ani katang chik chagi yore ini di ka di ani ari yong la ko kyam na du yore es la chikche and temporary restraining order the makeup nimuchushi ringla and temporary restraining order the thaju chagi hore and nimuchushi jale ya gone ya tolen do cheche ya mahuba di thande phargyang che ge revo do chiumure thande chala makeup nimuchushi gi thon chedi gi yore se je nizu dende do chik she de yore se je yi dende sonsa ani di council ne ani Timbungi and Tanashi Timbungi, the Gachimbo Shuchi with Tonere, mix a Arigi, Chatim Sunetsuki, any Kawa Mambuchi, Taranashinki, Trozotumi Mambuchi, Taranashi Sinzi, Rapari, Mambu Chunchi, Dinzuki, Gachimbo Shuji Tonche, Ari Lumba, the Gach, Ari Mise Radi, Gachimbo Shuji Tone, Soshagudi, any Donald Trump, Sinzi, Tacho Chedevadi. And Tandakora Shede and Timge Chagior, unconstitutional Chagior is like the Timbungi Gachimbo Tong Cheje and make up Tandegi Tajo de la and some George Chebenizuki Toyore, the some George Chebenizu di Dingela Shogela Mato near the Deshe Gabek of the Labi, the any Timgana Gigre, Timgana Gate, the Tola Lelabu Yoma Res, the Resonza, Donald Trump, Sinzi Chawata, Sinzi Charge and Tacho Chigyochik. And Timga Rane, and Kawa Nizudi, and Tandechala, and Donald Trump Sinzi Chawata, and Timga Nekawe Nizuji, and then they Donald Trump gets in Yongla, and it touched Gogendo Chik, Mahomba Yapoyela, Gogendo Chik, so Nizuji, but the Kajagan number several races, the Russell Zane is the Gachimbo Shuch Tonja, number solar, the Nizu the number solar, Shetuata, and Manguchik, and also capture shooting a pure Manguchik, the Kesi, any Mise. Pugu Ari Lumba Cage, Mise the Mewa Sobina, and the Peva Manguchi, Young Ragi over the Hagu, the rest of the thing and numbers of the Shetubina and Manguchi, she said Nanchi, Sewu Shuji, Chagi, Reva Shuji kept the years, the rest of the Yedu, Siwada, Ani, Gabion, they will need Tawan Tuchi, and Nizu the Kamama, Guvenang Nashi, Tuche.